The mini size has a slightly different strap than the others because we're using 1/2 inch wide D-rings, and so I'm going to have a narrower strap to match with that. So to start off with, I took my strap, which is just made out of quilting cotton, so I felt like it needed to be interfaced. And I interfaced the whole thing with woven fusible interfacing. And then I and I didn't do the end inch or so because once you start folding and sewing everything, it can be a lot of layers for your machine. So first I folded down the end. Also, I am not doing an adjustable strap. My strap is just going to be a fixed length strap. I cut this is for my daughter, and I didn't have her around to measure her, so I just went to the width of my fabric, which is about 45 inches. And I will see how that works on her. I may have to shorten it later. So I first folded and ironed both of these short ends down, and then I folded the whole strap in half and ironed it. Now, if your strap can't be ironed, you can also just use a ruler and draw a line all the way down the length of it, so you know where you're going to be folding your edges into. And then you will need some clips or pins, and you are going to be folding each long edge towards the center, like so, and then folding it in half, like so. So first the long edge is in, and then in half. And that should fit nicely into your 1/2 inch swivel hooks. So I'll do part of this on camera and then the rest of it off camera because this will take me a little while. Sometimes I like to start in the middle and then move out so I don't get it twisted at all. Okay, my strap is now all ready to be sewn. And with a strap this thin, I usually just sew up one side. And one thing I forgot is I generally, when I fold this down, I also just sew across it then. So then I don't have to do an awkward little pivot here and sew just a couple of stitches. But I forgot to do that this time. So I'm going to have to pivot, stitch just a couple times. All right. Now, if you are doing an adjustable strap, which half-inch slider, they do make them, but they're just not as common. But say you wanted a slightly thicker strap, maybe you had 3/4 inch sliders and hardware, then you can do an adjustable strap, but I do not have a slider, so you'll have to check out my pattern for instructions on how to use the slider. But I am just going to make this an a fixed length strap, which means I'm going to fold my strap through the end of my swivel hook and fold it back about 1 inch. And you can use a rivet here, or I'm just going to do 2 parallel sets of stitches. So this is stitched like that, and then the other end I will do the same, and I will make sure that I am stitching the same side, turning it the same way. So this is not twisted. I just double check. And I compare these two so that I have them folded back the same amount. And then I am going to stitch this the same way. Okay, so my strap is all complete, and it is ready to be used with the purse. And that means my purse is now complete too. So great job. Thank you for sewing along with me, and I hope you enjoyed the pattern.